everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. I am getting better, still a little sick. My baby's still a little sick, but we are thankfully getting better. I haven't really been out unless it's to work and to drop him off at my parents' house, and I'll be off the next 4 days, so hopefully that helps us both get 100% better. I haven't really been to the 99. I did go today because I needed some stuff. I'm gonna be making some of my corn chowder soup, and I have a tutorial on how I made that, so I'll be linking the video down in the description box. But I just went pretty quick. It was raining, so I didn't want to stay out too long, especially because I had my son and we've both still been sick. So it was a quick run, and I was able to spot some new stuff, so I'll be sharing what I found with you guys, even though it's a short video. But I just want to share what I did find with you guys. I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know I'm still here, not going anywhere. And thank you guys for the beautiful comments that you guys have been leaving me in the last video. I really truly appreciate it. It means so much to me. You guys have no idea, especially when I'm feeling like crap. It's really nice to read your guys' comments, and it makes me feel a lot better. So thank you guys so much. You guys have no idea what your kind words mean to me. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what we found at the 99. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to turn on your post notification bell so you guys do get notified when I post new videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. One more thing, I wanted to share with you guys that I got the caramel brulee latte. This is my all-time favorite holiday drink, all-time drink of the year. I've been drinking this for years and I am obsessed with it. I could get the caramel brulee iced, the frappuccino. Today I decided to go for the latte to help my throat a little, and it is so good. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good one and stay safe.